Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Dishwashers have a set of rollers that help the racks glide in and out smoothly. If the wheels are damaged or keep falling off, then it's best to replace them. In this episode, I'll show you how. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. Let's begin. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. If your model has wall-mounted rollers, then the rail will slide out between these wheels. In other models, the dish rack has more than one set of wheels which holds the rail in between. Inside the rail is a smaller roller which lets it slide forward. Removing the top rack is fairly simple. On the rails are end caps. Press down on the tabs to release the caps. Pull the rack forward until the rails are fully extended. Now remove the dish rack. Some wheels will be mounted onto a stem. On the inside is a plastic clip which locks it into place. Use a screwdriver to release the clip. Now remove the wheel. In other models, you might have to use pliers to release the tabs on the outside of the wheel. Align the new wheel and snap it into place. If you have wall-mounted rollers, then you'll have to take off the rails first. To remove the rail, you'll have to release the clip at the back. Now slide the rail out. It's best to remember which side was facing in, as some rails are not symmetrical. Next, remove the mounting screw. Align the new wheel and secure it into place. In some models, the screws are accessed from the outside wall. You can see how to remove the dishwasher in the video linked below. Align the rail and push it into place. Now replace the clips at the back. Align the dish rack onto the rail and slide it forward. Now replace the end caps. These will snap into place. If your model has an extra set of wheels, then you can change the height of the upper rack. Depending on your preference, choose whether to align the rail with the upper or lower set of wheels. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our AMRE Supply branches. Thanks for watching.